introduced to the team and underwent security and health and safety training. I also met my line manager, who had interviewed me. Transitioning to XBRL was a significant change for me, given my different background, which made it an interesting experience. Everybody was incredibly nice, welcoming, and made me feel relaxed. Overall, it was a very positive experience. My day typically starts with checking my emails to see if any urgent requests have come through. We have team meetings every morning. I work as part of 2 teams, folding and scoping. My role revolves around scoping. I ensure I respond to daily consumption queries and inquiries from planners and project lead supports, as we have a diverse team and sometimes I need clarification, so I reach out to other team members. I aim to address queries promptly and avoid delays. I typically schedule stakeholder meetings, as most people are busy in the morning with updates and progress reports. My key stakeholders include facility planners, designers and the machining teams. During these meetings, I present a visual spreadsheet representation of the scope of work, ensuring everybody has the opportunity to voice any concerns or issues before I seek their full approval. I check the replies of any inquiries. I send out reviews and schedule for the next day, ensuring that arrangements are confirmed and completed. I appreciate the support and the friendly atmosphere here. People make you feel welcome and don't belittle you when you ask for help. At XBRL, there is a culture of allowing you time to do your work well and acknowledging good effort. In my previous job, there was a lack of acknowledgement of progress, and I felt like you were just expected to get on with your tasks without any recognition. I come from a background in production manufacturing, where I spent 30 years. Transitioning to my current role at XBRL, where we work on submarines, has been a significant change. However, I was able to secure the position because many of my skills were transferable. While I remain in the same role I started in, I find it fulfilling and would happily continue in this capacity. The work is multifactored, and each task leading to another, ensuring there is always something new to tackle, particularly in creating scopes. I appreciate structure and logical processes, and I find comfort in following systematic approaches. Despite the variety of tasks, each has its own process to follow from start to finish. While it may seem repetitive, it's not boring. In fact, I've learned a lot since I've started here. I recall my first week on site feeling very overwhelmed by the terminology used in meetings. It was like a different language and I struggled to follow along. However, with time and support from my colleagues, I've gained confidence and I now feel comfortable with these discussions. I also enjoy my work and I take satisfaction in knowing that I am doing well. Embrace change and don't fear new challenges. Trying something new can be so rewarding, and if it's your desire, go for it. I wish I'd discovered this job earlier. At XBRL, we have experienced professionals alongside fresh graduates, each bringing enthusiasm and drive, which motivates everyone. I would recommend this career path to anybody. I'm even encouraging my own family members to consider this, as I firmly believe the future lies in engineering.